eshonga egi neijaho bwanyuma y'akakiiko k'ebyenguto ahabwa district ya Mtoma akarkwebemberwa omu ishengero wa Ruhinda South okushutama okushwizuma oku sente zakoresibwe okuboneza enguuto konka kishangiro ngu empiha ezi tiziriho kandi n'enguuto tizirakozirwe.
Iza kugenda na report ya Auditor General asarema kwaragire ngu ebibatwire bishikire nituiza kugenda n'ebyo karagire ngu bigwire buri omwe araba ari responsible ahabwa ensobe zarazangemu naiza kuzisasura.
Kuba health exploding amaramu twarurabamu, it was very slippery, extremely very slippery.
Bashabire engineer wa district okuboreka embarira ya sentezi nayo bashanga erikworeka ebitakwatirine.
When I was going beyond 10%, it's you authorized me. But when I'm feeling low, to buy even a battery, these are things which get fault. And you don't say I'm going to buy a battery which has still working. Mr. Chairman, what does it cost an engineer to inform the coward, the chairman, that he is going to buy a battery?
In this case, when you look at these minutes of 10th June, that 1 billion had not been spent. That's why in the message we are saying, Chair, make sure that this money does not go back. And we are very happy the money did not go back, and we are still using it.
Chabuko sente ezo zaikumi Mtoma zibaza abatura ba Mtoma tiza Museveni tiza Kaliza tiza BMP konka neza abatura kuboneza enkora ekyanga kyabo.
Ekiteganisa abebembezi n'okushanga ngu sente nche ezibire nizeija mu district zibire nizikora emirimo erebuka konka kuzibire nyingi baronda ekizikozire kyabura.
Kandi zagumizamu ndu kuroronda accountability ya district akubeze sente nizo tuzukuru ntuzisaba abamemba ba parliament zirabo mu parliament twenda accountability cya kitari eco abakuze ku handlinga tuzakoresa other offices tuzakoresa corruption office na egeze huyije IGG tingumanya bakagigamba aho ba council timanya ibyakomere konka twenda accountability ya sente za government.
Gasha kwa Ben Mohoz.